Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to manage payments on blood requests, recording how a request was paid for and approving it, so your financial records stay clean and every fulfilled request is properly accounted for. Let's get started. From the sidebar, navigate to Blood Bank and click it to open the Blood Bank dropdown. Now select Blood Requests to view all the requests currently in the system. Here you can see this blood request still has a payment pending. That's your cue to step in and record how it was paid for. Click here to open the form. It lays out all the details you'll need to record the payment. First, select the payment method from the drop-down provided. This sets how the payment was made. Next, click the reference number field and enter the payment reference. Then choose the bank account from the drop-down. These tie the transaction to a traceable record you can reconcile later. In the description field, add a short note describing the payment, enough to make the transaction's purpose clear at a glance. Take note of the on-screen reminder. Once a payment is added, the blood request can't be edited or deleted, so check your details first. When you're happy, click Add Payment to record it. Now go to the Payments section to see the payment records tied to your blood requests. This is where you'll review and approve what's been logged. Click here on the payment you want to process to open the full payment details. Give the information a quick review before you proceed to approve it. Then click here to set the payment status to approved. That marks the payment as confirmed and complete, and your record is fully up to date. And that's a wrap on blood request payments. You've just learned how to record a payment and approve it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your blood bank system.